You want to be a successful nail technician? You got to know how to hustle. This industry is not for the weak. When you're starting out, you better get up every single day, walk into that nail salon with a happy face. Get ready to wait for all the walk-ins. Even on a slow day, you better stay happy. Don't let it break you down, because those are the time that's going to tell you that you want to quit. You got to overcome that hump. Once you overcome that hump, when you get that customer in front of you, you got to know how to treat them right. You got to be a people person. You got to know how to listen. You got to know how to communicate. You got to know how to do your craft. You got to learn your craft. You got to practice your craft. You got to make sure that you save your money, because you are your self-business. Can't just spend on every service that you make on Taco Bell. Hell no. You got to make sure you put away for the tax. You got to make sure you put away for the bills. And you got to make sure you put away what you want to save. That's important as a nail technician. Nobody teach you that, not even in school. On top of that, you got to get ready for the long sitting down. No eating, no drinking. Sometimes you can't even go pee. You think you're going to get that 10-minute break? Hell no. You might be working all day nonstop on the next client and the next client. Even if you're tired, you can't show you tired. Even if you're sad, you can't show you sad. You got to give yourself a 100% all the time as a nail technician just to be successful. Amen.